So guys, my time for solving 3 cubes in one breath is... Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be trying out different types of cube relays. And now, let's get into the video. So, the first relay would be 2x2 to 5x5. And now, let's start scrambling. Alright, the first relay is now over and now moving on to the second one. So, in the second relay, we will be having 2 2x2s, 2 3x3s and 2 4x4s. And now, let's start scrambling. Second relay is now done and moving on to the third relay. This third relay is a new one. In this, I will be solving a 2x2, 3x3 and 3x3 one-handed in one breath. Let's start solving. So guys, these are the different types of relays I know. If you want part 2 and know any other types of relays, then let me know in the comment section down below. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.